Welcome back. Today I am breaking down a time-saving workflow that combines the creative power of Canva with the automated efficiency of Vizard to streamline your entire content creation process. If you are tired of manually chopping up long videos or burning through your AI generation credits, this strategy is going to change the way you think about repurposing content. We all know Canva has gotten incredibly powerful lately with their Magic Media tools, allowing you to generate stunning visuals just by typing a simple prompt. Alright. Whether you need clouds drifting over a city or waves crashing on a beach, you just type it in, hit generate, and a short clip appears in your workspace. However, those clips are often short and rely on credits, which means it is not really the most efficient way to build an entire library of long-form content. The real magic happens when you pair Canva's custom visuals with Vizard, an AI-powered editor designed specifically to turn long-form footage into high-performing short clips. First, create your base visuals in Canva's Magic Media by starting with an image prompt to save those valuable credits while you refine your aesthetic. Try using specific descriptive terms like cinematic, warm tones, or shallow depth of field to get that high-end look without needing a full film crew. Once you have your aesthetic locked down, record your main talking head video or tutorial because this will serve as the master file for your distribution. Instead of trying to force Canva to make 10 different videos, upload that long-form file directly into Vizard and let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Vizard analyzes the footage to identify the moments with the strongest emotional cues, effectively finding the gold nuggets you might have missed manually. Within minutes, you get a whole batch of clips perfectly optimized for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts without having to edit every single one from scratch. Next, you can leverage Vizard's content calendar to automate your posting schedule, so you are not stuck uploading files manually every single morning. This allows you to see everything laid out in one place, giving you the ability to tweak captions and control which platform gets which specific clip. If you want that extra flair, take the Vizard clips back into Canva to add custom animated intros, stickers, or brand assets to make them pop. It is important to remember that while these tools are brilliant for concepts, they work best as a multiplier for your existing creative ideas. Always keep your master long-form content safe, because one solid 15-minute recording can easily become dozens of unique social media assets. The goal is to stop juggling different files and dashboards, and instead create a seamless pipeline from your initial idea to the final published post. If you are tired of the friction in your current editing process, try this Canva and Vizard combo for just 1 week and watch your output explode. Let me know in the comments what kind of content you create, and I will be happy to suggest a custom workflow tailored exactly to your niche. Thanks for hanging out today. Make sure to like and subscribe if this helps, and I will see you in the very next video.